Maraming nagtatanong sa atin, Pops, anong wish mo para kay Sandro? Anong may papayo mo? Anong life advice? Ano kaya? Anong sasabihin natin? Okay, yung vlog natin ngayon, hindi lang para kay Sandro, lahat ng mga tatawid ng atrenta anyos. Tignan natin kung meron tayong maibigay naman sa inyong payo, konting gabay. Nakasulat dito, on taking breaths, learn to slow down when you must. 30 years old, di ka napapagod. Hindi totoo yan. Basta pursige mo yung trabaho mo.
Learn to slow down when you
Yeah,
must.
listen to your body. Don't burn the candle at both ends too much. But, this is the time, if you're going to have to do that, this is the time to do it. Just really push it hard. Just make sure, like we've always told you, eat well, exercise, try to have a routine. This is the usual thing. But